bling on, toast up, sing on. Big love, big drip, all night we swing on. Dress fresh, step clean, vibes so headstrong. Brightly, groomly, had the crew live long. Rings on, bling on, toast up, sing on. Dance floor packed out, we can't go wrong. Hands high, bright DJ spin that bomb. Brightly, groomly, yeah, the crew live long. Rings on, bling on, toast up, sing on. Dance floor packed out, we can't go wrong. Hands high, bright DJ spin that bomb. Brightly, groomly, yeah, the crew live long. Cake toss, champagne, a cascade. Whole squad in the frame that upgrade. Ghost smile, white lace that upgrade. We don't even need words, we parlay. Click clack on the tie that hill talk. New suit, cufflinks, smooth moonwalk. Groomsmen goofy, auntie on TikTok. Ring bear flossing like it's his stock. Rings on, bling on, toast up, sing on. Hey! Big love, big drip, all night we swing on. Dress fresh, step clean, vibes so headstrong. Brightly, groomly, yeah, the crew live long. Rings on, bling on, strong hands high, body DJ spin that ball. Brightly, groomly, yeah, the crew live long.
Kasi sa mundo, maraming ibig sabihin ng pag-ibig. Mahal mo siya dahil maganda siya. Mahal mo siya dahil mayaman siya. Maganda siya dahil meron kang motibo sa kanya. Ang pagmamahal, sabi nga ng kanta, maging sino man siya, mahal mo siya. Ano man ang weakness or kahinaan ng isang tao, hindi mo tinitingnan dahil mahal mo siya. That's what we call unconditional love.
I saw a glimpse of coloring. It knocked me off my feet. I thought I saw a spark in your eyes, desperately and far away.
Kakaiba yung story natin sa mga nakakaalam, sa mga hindi nakakaalam. We've been LDR for 16 years.
16 years ago, we started a journey that most people would never dare to take. A love built across screens, time zones, and every kind of distance. Yet every day, you show me that love doesn't measure distance, it measures commitment.
I know we can't hold on, make it overfly. It's the same.
Today, standing in front of you, I see the man who has loved me not only at my best, but through every challenge.
Tagal na rin natin bilang LDR, nakapag-adjust na rin tayo. Kaya tumagal tayo ng ganito. Anyway, to cut the story short, ito lang ako, alam mo yan. No matter how hard we get, sama mo ako, okay?
I promise to cherish not just the big moment like this, but the simple ones we prayed for. Waking up beside each other, eating together, coming home to you, holding your hand without screen between us.
Tandaan niyo to, Jeffrey and Risa. Love covers a multitudes of sin. If you ever see flaws or faults in each other, always go back to how you started and how you came to this kind of love.
I saw a glimpse of coloring. It knocked me off my feet. I thought I saw a spark in your eyes, desperately and far away. Conquered all my needs. I saw a glimpse of coloring. It knocked me off my feet. I thought I saw a spark in your eyes, desperately and far away. Conquered all my needs. I put all the way.
Today I chose you, not from a distance, not over a call, a signal, but here beside you for the rest of our life.
It's the second round through a long decline. And here we are, the fire needs to cold.
After 16 years apart, I am finally coming home to you, and I promise you that from this day on, you will never have to wait for me again. I love you, Beth.
Go! You may now kiss the bride! Mabuhay! Ang bagong kasal!
Mahal na mahal kita. Promise to be with you every day of your life. At yung favorite natin sabihin, magkikita pa rin tayo sa finals.